Welcome to the Hands That Heal channel. In this video, I will show you how I do a cupping therapy. At the same time, I will tell you about some general information about this therapy, and you will see how I apply the cups and learn about what this treatment does and what benefits it can bring. Let's start with a short explanation of what cupping therapy is. Cupping therapy uses special cups that are placed on the skin. Inside the cup, we create a vacuum, and this vacuum pulls the skin and the tissue under the skin slightly upwards. This negative pressure helps to increase blood flow and support the movement of lymph fluid. It also lifts the layer of the skin, fascia, and muscle a little bit apart. This is different from massage, where we press tissue down. By lifting the tissues, cupping helps to release deep tension, improve blood flow, and support recovery in certain areas. In the session, I use two different type of cups. First, I use a silicone cup. These cups are soft and flexible. I can move them easily across the skin. They create only light vacuum pressure, so they usually do not leave any marks. These cups are very good for people with sensitive skin or for dynamic massage movement. Second, I use plastic vacuum cups. These cups are more common in modern cupping therapy. They use a small pump to create vacuum. This type is very safe because I can control how strong the vacuum is. Also, with these cups, I do not need to use fire like in traditional glass cupping. There is also no cutting of the skin like a wet cupping. That's why many therapists and clinics prefer plastic vacuum cups for therapeutic sessions. Now, I want to make a disclosure of what I am doing in this particular session. So, first, I prepare the skin and tissue by applying massage oil and using some gentle stroking and pressure, generally in the areas where I later will install cups. Later, I use a silicone vacuum cup to actively move layers of the skin, tissue, and superficial muscles. This helps to prepare the massaged person body and mind for upcoming plastic cups application. After all the preparation is done, I place vacuum cups starting from the somewhere in the center of the middle trapezius, where I felt the most tension during the manual massage. Next, I place cups along the paravertebral lines, and the last one I place in the middle of the iliac crest. These are my favorite areas of placing cups on the back, but placement areas can be different depending on the person needs. Because this particular person who became the model for this video was having cupping therapy for the first time, I used a small vacuum inside the cups and gave just 5 minutes instead of my usual 15 minutes before I removed the cups. At the end of the session, I did some gentle massage to calm the tissue and remove oil with the hand towel. This sequence is not strict protocol and can vary depending on the person needs. Before we talk about the benefits, I want to give you some honest and important information. Cupping therapy is not accepted as medical treatment by modern science. Some doctors say there is not enough scientific proof that it helps with health problem. However, many clients and therapists say they feel better after cupping therapy session. So cupping may not work for everyone, but for some people it can be helpful and relaxing method. Also, this therapy is usually safe when done by trained professionals, especially with plastic cups like that I use in this video. Now, let's talk at the possible benefits of cupping therapy. It helps improve blood circulation and lymphatic flow. It reveals muscle tightness and reduce tension. It may lower chronic pain such as headaches, back pain, joint pain, and sciatica. It may help your body recover faster after physical activity or hard work. It can improve skin tone and elasticity, especially used with anti-cellulite treatment. So, who might benefit from cupping therapy? I usually recommend this therapy for two main group of people. The first group, people with active lifestyle. This include athletes, gym lovers, or people with physical jobs. If you move a lot or carry things at work or in gym, your muscles can be sore or tight. Cupping combined with the deep tissue massage can help relieve pain and improve recovery. The second group, people who sit for long hours. Office workers, drivers, or anyone with static posture often feel stiffness in the neck or the back. Cupping, together with classic massage, can help relax muscles, improve blood flow, and release trigger points. This can lead to better movement, less pain, and more comfort in daily life. Also, cupping can help prevent the development of fibrotic tissue, especially if combined with gentle stretching after therapy. If you don't have any pain, but you are just curious about cupping, it's still worth trying once. It may give you a nice feeling of lightness and relaxation. Some people like to do it regularly as part of their self care routine. However, if you have health condition, for example, problems with blood circulation, lymphatic system, or bone and joints, please talk to your doctor before trying cupping therapy. This is important to make sure it's safe for your situation. I hope this video helped you to understand what cupping therapy is, how it works, and for who it's good for. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay curious, and see you in the next video.